Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Europa Universalis 5 game crashing, crash at startup, crashes to desktop, not launching or won't launch issue, or black screen issue on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to try -DX12 or -DX11 in the launch options. So open Steam, right click on Europa Universal 5 game and select properties. Now in the general tab, in the launch options, type -DX12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. I will show the example with another game. So open Steam, go to library, right click on the game, right click on the Europa Universal 5 game. This is just an example, and then click on properties. Now in the launch options, type -DX12 and then close the tab and then you can launch the game and check. This command -DX12 has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If that doesn't work, then again go to the properties. In the general tab, in the launch option, type -DX11 and then check if your problem is solved or not. If it doesn't work, then remove the command from the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Next solution is to run Europa Universalis 5 game as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Europa Universalis 5 game and then click on manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. The path will be C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Europa Universalis 5 folder. Then open the binaries folder, right click on EU5exe file and select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and then tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to update graphic card driver. So simply go to your graphic card driver manufacturer website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to the NVIDIA website. And if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website and then search and select your graphic card driver versions and update it to the latest version. You can update the graphic card to the latest version or you can also perform a clean installation of graphic card driver to the latest version and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install it and then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can launch the game and check. So by this way you can easily fix Europa Universalis 5 game crashing, crash at startup, crashing to desktop, not launching or won't launch issue, or black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.